Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your iPad Air model and current iOS so you know which updates are compatible. Open Settings General About. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your computer. Backups protect your data if anything fails. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep it plugged in, and free at least 5 GB of storage. Otherwise, the OTA update may not download. Now, tap Settings General Software Update to fetch the latest available package and start the process. You should let the update download completely. Interrupting creates corrupted installers, so wait patiently. If the update stalls for lack of space, offload apps or remove large media files. This frees enough room without deleting essential data. Alternatively, connect the iPad to a Mac or Windows PC and use Finder or iTunes to download and install. This method is more reliable for big jumps and restores. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. If needed, switch to a different network and restart the download to once the update completes, confirm the version in Settings General About and Update Apps. Compatibility issues show up here. If the iPad won't boot, perform a force restart. Hold home and power together on older Air models or the device-specific button combo. This often clears temporary hangs. If you see install errors repeatedly, connect to Finder or iTunes and attempt the update or a restore. Use your backup to recover data. Remember, try a different USB cable or port before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.